What is up, guys? I got my buddy Wes's car in here. This is not something you normally see, as it's a Camaro. But, you know, nobody's perfect. Put new floors in it, new carpet. Now we're doing all the matting to put the carpet back in. I got these 3 butt heads over here. Cleaning up all the plastics to put all the carpet, interior, and put this car fully back together. It's a very unique color. Got the American Racing Torque Thrust 2 wheels on it. Yeah, buddy, go ahead. But, yeah. Try to get this thing done by tomorrow so we can go for a small little cruise in it before it goes back to my shop to get a new windshield put in it. But yes, I know. It's not a Mustang. You have to have that one retarded friend in. Oh, that's him. Anyway, let me get back to work. All right, well, we got the carpet mostly in. What a pain in the ass that is with trimming. But let's look. Slowly getting there.
How come you're out here in my center?
Carpet is in. Part of the seats. Now messing with the center console of this mess of wires. That's hard on the button, man. I don't want to push too much harder.
I wish I could have.
And guess what? Probably none of them mean anything.
Okay, now this is going to be a tricky part. I gotta get that.
I
think we gotta take that handle off.
The handle?
Yeah.
I'm not a Chevy guy. How's the handle come
Pull her
up?
up.
How'd you get it out? It doesn't help me much. What? It didn't do anything. Oh, just to get it
Gotta go
through
through there.
It's not. Is it behind enough to do that?
Don't you
Where does this
dare.
one go?
That goes to my indicator for
Automatic.
brake that goes in right.
Well, I can just do it over here for now. Okay. Well, I think about the angle I'm on.
No, you might have to loosen that off.
Again?
It might.
Yeah.
Why do you have to be so annoying?
It's a learning experience. You learn Chevys too, buddy.
Oh, I mean, that's what my tools are built for. Working on Chevy.
No, it's just because you're able to afford new shit and I can't.
This piece was blue.
No, 'cause
Yeah.
now I gotta tighten that all back up though.
Yeah. I'm stuck.
I can't see on this side to put the bolts in, so that's on you.
Oh, I can't see. I can't see.
Why is it so quiet in here?
Because Cohen's not here.
Well, I can't have music on right now, but I didn't know you guys were still here. I thought everyone was gone.
Yeah, we all ran away. We all said, fuck this shit.
Did you tell him, Brayden?
Would you break, Braden?
Me? No,
Yeah.
it's all Cohen.
Would Cohen break?
Nothing.
Whose is it?
Break anything.
What?
Nothing.
What, babe?
This is,
Nothing.
Don't lie to me.
It's nothing for you.
Okay.
it's all for Corbin.
What is it? What is
Well,
it?
it's not do with me. I don't care.
No. Brayden.
Not once.
What is it?
Brayden.
Ratchet.
Stop.
He had a sip of Lonnie.
I don't care.
Is the green one good that I gave you?
Oh my god, it's so good. It literally tastes like green skin.
That's exactly what I said. I had it. It's really good.
Bring it here, woman. I want to try it.
No.
It's like one of my favorites
I
I've
thought
ever
you
had.
loved me.
I lost the thing.
That's a stretch.
You lost it?
Happy that I got that one
can't get
and
it
you
in.
didn't.
Have a sip.
I got one.
Relief.
Almost lost her.
Okay.
That's good.
Put the ship that back together. What are you thinking about it?
Yeah. You're gonna need that little tiny fills right by your foot over there.
About an hour I've been back. Just over an hour. Braden called me at 2:23 and I was literally pulling in the driveway.
Having fun yet? Hey, Wes.
What's that?
Having fun yet?
I'm loving it.
Well, the interior is almost back together, although we won't be driving the car today. But
No, tomorrow.
tomorrow we'll have it finished. We got to put the door panels on yet, and some more of the trim pieces, the interior. But here, I'll show you. So carpet's in, center console's almost all in. Still got a mess of crap in there to do. He did add some cup holders that you can't buy in this generation Camaro, which is kind of cool. That's normally an ashtray. But back seats are in. He's just buttoning them up the seatbelt right now. And then we'll work on the door panels. And then yeah, rest of the center console. Put the speaker covers on that side. The other two seats in, which are over there, and we still have all of this stuff that still needs to go in the car.
And the boxes.
Yeah, all of this. And then the T-tops are over there. But we're getting there. No thanks to this guy or that guy. And then we gotta get rid of that wrinkle right there in the carpet still, but
How do you do that? Just push it back?
yeah, we'll get it. What is up, guys? This is day 2 of working on the crap arrow. My buddy's not here yet. He'll be here in an hour or so, but I thought I'd get a head start on it. We've got almost all the interior put back in. I got the 2 front seats to put in, which I'm going to do here in a minute. And then the door panels. Let me switch this around so you can see where we're at. So, got to put door panels back on. That's got to go under there. Hook up his heater and his radio. Put the center console back in. Speaker covers back on. Seats in the front seats back in, which is there and over there. And then all the trim work that goes with his doors, door panels. If you noticed, we're putting new trim on the door panels. So they do clip on, but we also epoxied them on to make sure that they stay there good, which is hence why I got the clamps all down there, just holding them in place, because they are old. So the old trim was just beat up and falling apart. So we put new trim on it, and we're just making sure it's gonna stay. We also did his headliner, which, as you can see, we got one hole over there for a seatbelt. We need to put one more hole right there for his interior light, and up there on either side for his vent shades. But I'm pretty impressed with myself. I have not done an actual headliner in the better part of 20 plus years. He asked me to do it, and it turned out pretty damn good. I'm sure people could have done better, but for me, I have not done a headliner in literally over 20 years. So I think it turned out pretty damn good for not doing one. And yes, he did help me with it, but it turned out great. So we're gonna get that in the car and get the carpet all done. But yeah, that's where we're at with the crap arrow. So we're gonna get that buttoned up right now, and then in a couple hours he'll be here. We'll get the rest of the stuff put in, and then get the cars washed up and go for a drive, because I have my car in Toronto on Friday and ended up getting pouring rain, so it's absolutely filthy, as you can see by the dirt down there. I hate being caught in the rain when I'm in my car, so that needs to be cleaned before I take it anywhere. And as you've seen on my buddy Wes's crap arrow here, there's dirt all over the paint and everything else, because unfortunately when he brought the car over here, it was also raining. So they both need a good wash, and then we'll take them out for a drive today. Anyway, I'm gonna put this down. We're gonna get back into it and get these seats in and try to get this car finished before lunch. Well, we got the first seat in. Now to tackle the second one. It is starting to look like a car again. What's up, buddy?
Hi.
And the second seat is in. Now both seats are in. Looking decent as far as a Camaro can look. I'm just kidding. This is a unique color and car, actually. So this color itself did not come on very many cars. I don't quite remember the name of this paint code, but it's like an aqua blue. It's a very nice color. But the cool part is it is a factory RS car with a factory V8 305. Anybody that knows anything to do with Camaro, the RS typically only came with a V6. This particular one, factory, special order, came with a V8. It is only 305, but V8 nevertheless. So that part is cool on its own, and then you add the unique color. And then with the Torque Thrust 2 wheels on here, it just looks, this car does look good. I'm not a Camaro fan, this car does look good. However, I do love the T-top. I missed that in the Mustang, and I love that in my old man's 81 Z28 Camaro. So that's one thing he has on me that I don't have, is T-tops. Now, one thing coming for this car yet that isn't here yet is a nice 2-inch cowl hood. That has been ordered. It was actually ordered a while ago. Hasn't shown up to the body shop yet, so it will be getting painted and then installed on this car. So that's going to add the nice little touch, because that's one thing I hated about the RS Camaro. It didn't have the little vents or fake vents in the hood, as you say. It was just a big, plain, boring looking hood. So that's one thing on the RS I never really liked. So when he gets the cowl hood added to this, it will add that finishing touch to what's missing on the hood of this car, where you would see on the typical Z28 Camaros or the IROCs, where they had the little, you know, cutouts in the hood. That's missing on here. So I'm looking forward to seeing what the cowl hood's gonna look like on here. As for the interior, the reason we had it all ripped out is it is an older car. It's seen better days, so it had some rot in the floor. Pretty much the only spot in the car was the floor, both sides. Wasn't terrible, but he had complete new floor installed into the car, so the interior had to come out. While he was doing that, he figured, what the hell, why not? Let's get rid of the rusted or rugged, ratted, moldy carpet that was in the car and put brand new in it. So we have done that. So it's got brand new carpet from here all the way to the front, and we're just now putting the seats back in. And like I said before, the nice little added touch of the cup holders is a pretty good thing to have, as these cars did not come with cup holders. They came with stupid ashtrays, and if you're not a smoker, you don't need that. So that's where we're at with the car so far. We are putting a new windshield in it this week over at my shop, just because. Hi, buddy. I will get around the other side here and I'll show you. And this is a common thing that happens to a lot of vehicles that people don't understand. Your windshield wiper blades are actually only good for about 6 months. And if you don't replace them, they do this to your windshield. So this windshield is ruined because of the wipers. So I got a brand new one at work for him already. Has the brow on it, just ready to get put in the car. I just need the car. So tomorrow morning, when we get this thing back together, I'm taking it to my shop, where it'll sit for a few more days, and we're gonna pop the window in, new wipers, and get rid of that nasty ass scratch on your car. So in saying that, anybody, change your wipers out a maximum of 6 months. I change mine about every 4 months, just to be sure, because if you're getting a lot of road grime, those wipers will wear out even faster, but typically they don't last longer than 6 months. So save yourself hundreds to thousands of dollars on a new windshield by just spending 30 bucks on new wipers. Anyway, I'm gonna continue working on this for a little bit longer. Wes should be here within the hour, and yeah, hopefully we'll get them washed up and get them out for a drive today, because we don't have a whole lot of parts to put on still. Somebody wants to say hi. She's got the door panels to put on, a few more interior pieces. That's my shop dog. And that's it. And then a much needed bath. So this is the first Camaro that's been in my shop since I've owned it. I've had 2 Challengers in here. Now a Camaro. Well, got the center console in, stereo in, heater in. Just got to put the cover back on. And that part's done. And then focus on the headliner and door panels. And that'll be it. Wes is finally shown back up to actually do the work after I've done half the shit today. Putting his door panels on. Fucking slacker.
Oh, these new rubbers are bigger, eh?
Yeah, they're probably not compressed as much as the older ones. This side here looks like it needs to go down. I'm gonna hold it down.
It's almost like this rubber is just in the way. Those are all in.
Looks a lot nicer when the door panel's actually on. Well, one door completely done. Now for that side. Want your window down?
Sure, please.
Oh, gotta put the key in it.
Keys in it.
Why'd your door sound like Chewbacca? Getting the driver's door panel done, and then that'll almost be it. We can't do the headliner just yet because he's waiting on new clips to put that back up. So that's not going on today. But it's nice seeing Wes actually work for a change.
Is this just how the ashtray goes?
Get it?
Well, doors are done. Interior's back together, minus the headliner. We'll do that next week once his clips come in. So that is all new carpet and back together for this Muppet right here. And his crap arrow.
Skid marrow.
As always, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Until the next one, stay weird.